Today I'm going to be creating an app called Rolling Dice. It will randomly select a number from the dice and display. I'll just add it. So first we're going to add a button, because when you click it, it should start rolling and make the sound of the rolling. And an image. And a sound component to play the rolling sound. I downloaded the images for the dice and the sound, so I'm gonna upload it. Okay, I'll add a background picture. Okay, now I'm gonna do the coding part. First, I'm gonna add initialize stored where stored. It should take the images from stored, so it should take it. First, I'm gonna make the list of images. Start. I'm gonna go to lists and add. First, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna remove these because we need to add the pictures, not numbers. I'm gonna add 6 of it. There are 6 images. And to check the name from here. It's loading. Taking a lot of time. Okay, KM, I'm gonna check the names from here and add it in the list. So dice 1.png, dice 2.png, dice 3.jpg, dice 5, dice 4.png, dice 5.png, and dice 6.jpg. Okay, I should create a variable called role, function called role. Now when the button is clicked, it should roll. It should select random from the list of images. Now it should take from a random. I'll remove because it's already stored in the stored list of images, and I should add sound. Whoa. I need to click on sound and put it. Okay, now we'll see if it works. I forgot to rename. Now we'll see if it works. It will select a random one. So, thank you.